I think this guy Larry, he's lost his ever-loving mind. If you don't believe me, just watch this Oops 2 video and see for yourself.
Alright, we're going to give these wheels and tires a test in the house. I got some egg crate there. Yep, we're traveling through the zoo land in the house. Yes, we are. We're going to climb up this hill right here. And this here is my couch that I'm going to climb up to. And here we go. There's a little puppy. It done pretty good on that climb. Yeah, not too bad. See how it descends down the same obstacle. I am in low speed. Past the hippo, approaching the lion. And it seems to do pretty good in low speed. Alright, I'm going to increase the angle of this ramp. Alright, I'm guessing this here is about a 40 to 45 degree angle I've got it set up on. We're going to give her a shot with it. We're going to get that truck going. See if we can keep the back bumper out of everything. Front bumper from digging in. Uh-oh. Back bumper's catching. Uh-oh. Alright. We got the back bumper freed up. Now we'll see if it'll crawl up here. It's not doing too bad. Lifting that front end pretty hard. But it made it again with a descent. Let's see if this thing will crawl up and over the top of this. Get on there. Oh yeah. Front bumpered into it. Okie dokie, one last test here. We're going to give this thing that much more steepness, which I guess that would be closer to 45. I also put a couple of ceramic coasters down. Try to keep the back bumper from digging into that soft foam. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Still digging into the soft foam. So I moved the coasters a little bit closer to the incline. Try to give the truck a chance here. Uh-oh. Even with that brass weight up there. No. FMS, even with brass weights on there, still will not climb that right there. I think I might change these wheels and tires out to my SCX24. I do believe that's what I'm going to do. Put the stock ones back on this FMS. Hey, we'll be back. Keep watching. Right, there's the FTX, which you just seen in action. But this is my SCX24 C10 truck with the same wheels and tires. Now, I was able to use my brass hex adapters and the brass nuts that come with these wheels putting it on my SCX24. You know what? I'm thinking, yeah, I like the looks of it right there, but, oh my God. Oh, yes. I'm really liking it on this SCX24. I'm going to change the other two sides out there, and we're going to give this a test run. Okay, a little bit of body modification. I had to lift the body on this thing. Kind of turned into a big chore, but it was fun doing it. Hey, I got the wheels, tires, all the brass that I need underneath this thing. And we're going to give it a shot in the same course that we just done the FMS. Let's go one-handed driving. Oh yeah. Look at that thing, man. A little axial SCX10 or SCX24. Man, I'm telling you. That little axial SCX24. That thing just crawled right up that. I don't know what kind of angle that is. That's pretty daggone steep. It really is. Yeah, I got the front end up and over it, but like I said, I had the hand that got it. Yeah, it wasn't pretty, but it come down without flipping. So here we go, one last time. SCX24 C10 running TOPCADs. And Maker Fire tires. Brassed out inside, right there, inside, right there. Brassed out on the wheels, brassed out on the wheel nuts. Yep. Running brass. Little C10 truck. It's ready to crawl.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave me a comment too.